Our project is called Discover Manufacturing and it is in the education pillar. It is a partnership between University College Dublin, ESI Software, Stryker, and the University of Porto in Portugal. Teachers are keen to embrace new technology in the classroom and to guide their pupils along future career paths, but sometimes they lack the most up-to-date information about manufacturing and its associated careers. So we use design thinking as a framework in order to upskill second-level teachers in using 3D printing to approach a health challenge with their pupils. And at the same time, we introduce them to careers and role models in virtual prototyping and manufacturing research. So far, 36 second-level teachers have been upskilled in 3D printing in Ireland, the UK and Portugal. More than 1,200 second-level pupils are participating in our 3D printing design challenge. We have also organised a showcase of virtual prototyping software for teachers, and we are planning national and European showcase events of the students' projects. Throughout the project, we have provided technical support for teachers and encouraged them to network with each other using social channels. Thanks to support from EIT Manufacturing, we were able to enhance manufacturing skills among the younger generation and to support their key influencers, teachers. We used a design thinking approach to encourage young people to solve health issues in their community using manufacturing technology.